Good morning and welcome back to the Unloved Garage channel. So today's a little bit of a different one. We wanted to bring you along for the adventure of this one. Now, we're always planning upgrades in the garage, and for the last 2 years, as many of you have seen, I've done most of my painting in an inflatable spray booth, which works but shuts down the whole garage. So we've come up with a more permanent solution. Let me show you. So I've bought this spray booth. This is a full-size commercial spray booth which is going in the back of the garage, and our job this morning is to disassemble it. As you can see, James is already examining it and figuring out how to take it apart. So in about 5 minutes, I'm sure it'll be on the back of the truck. So James is slightly dusty. This is body shop dust for you. He's been up there and taken all the panels off. We've got the trim off on the floor, and all the panels are next to come off. So Ben's just inside cutting the sealant out, and then in theory, taking that apart. Not currently sure if Ben's trying to escape or if James is trying to break in. But there's a hole in the roof. So James and Ben have found a magnetic polo which sticks to the side of the booth. Oh, James has ruined it. James? You found it? Oh, it's dusty. Oh, he's broke the streak.
I lose.
Oh, Ben's dropped it and all now. That's it, it's out. Alright, so the world's smallest gap. James has made a point of going down it. Are you good there, James?
You can have like one
clean stripe. Oh, no. That is it. So it's taken a little while to get it all down, but it's all down, gone, and the last bit's on the truck now, on its way to the other garage. So next job, build it. Alright, so I don't actually think I filmed anything on this, but as you can see over there behind me, the booth is now moved and it's now up, and the reason I've not caught anything is it's been chaos here. There is so much going on, and there's a lot of you don't realise that we are, as well as all the fantastic stuff that we try to share with you, we are a working garage as well, so it takes a lot of work and a lot of effort to make everything happen, frankly, and it's tiring, it is tiring. But enough with the excuses. Alright, so I know I didn't do a brilliant job of filming it to sort of see it go up and stuff like that, but there's a few bits and pieces still to finish on the booth, but it is now in use, making money, essentially. Let me just show you this little job that I've just sort of completed and waiting for drying as we speak. So, little Vauxhall Corsa, I just need the rear end repainting, and that is a lot easier because I can do it in the daytime, as we can see, as opposed to just at night time. So I'm happy with that. Booth is definitely better than the old inflatable one. Yeah, he thinks he's getting trapped from behind, doesn't he?
What?
He thinks someone's going to trap him from behind.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, let me catch you up on the co-part WRX. So, since you last saw it, it's had the rear end arches welded in, which I'll show you. James is dealing with a couple of teething issues on exhaust blowing. James put the arches in it, filled and sanded, because this will be one of the next ones that goes in the booth. It does run and drive, as you all know. Just needs to finish it up, basically. So we're going to try and progress that soon. That's James leaving. We are going to crack on from there. So we've got some fantastic stuff to show you. We've got some fantastic projects, one of which we definitely haven't unveiled yet. And the R34 is here with me as well. But thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and we will see you